Hey guys, welcome back to Installs and Pitfalls. Today we're going to be putting the in-channel vent shades on our F250. Go here and in there. Okay, so the first one that we're going to install is the passenger front window, and what is required is just this one clip, and what it wants you to do is put a little piece of tape on it, so I guess it keeps it from rubbing or something. I'm not sure what, but we're going to go ahead and rub it with alcohol, put our little piece of tape on it. All right, let's run up and get this installed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this installed here, and then you just push that little gasket in and slide it all the way to the front. Okay, so what we're going to do is use our little tool here. And just clean inside our little channel where it's going to sit. All right. All right. Let's see how good we can do on this. Oh, these are easy. Now we're ready for installation. This is the front part of the window channel. It's going to sit on this bracket here. So we're going to go ahead and get it tipped in front first. Like so. And these are shatterproof, so it's only going to feel weird the first time, but you're going to bend it into the channel. Stick it in there just like that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use our little tool and just kind of slide it up in there just to make sure that our tape is in there good and tight. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and roll up the window, and when you want to pull out on this just a little bit. All right, that's in there good. We're going to go ahead and do that a couple more times. All right, it goes without us pulling on it. So we're basically done with the front door. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and install the bracket for the rear window. This curved piece is going to be on the outside of the truck. So once this is installed, you're going to see a little piece of this hanging down. Okay. Fits in there like that. And then you're going to want to slide it up to your 2 to 3 inch mark. Here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install the one for the back side. Push it up in there and then just rotate it. Get it up in this channel. and slide it to the back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clean this with our alcohol pad here. Make sure we're between 2 and 3 inches. And the instructions say to start in the back and then rotate it forward. You want to be on the outside of those clips. Okay, so we're going to, just like the front window, we're going to go ahead and roll this up and then pull out on this a little bit. All right. All right, so we're going to leave it there. Okay guys, now that we've got all 4 windows done, we have to leave it for 72 hours. It's very similar to like tent, I guess. They just wanted to make a good seal before you roll the windows down. So again, this is going to allow you to crack your window maybe even an inch or so to let air come through or to keep the rain out and get some ventilation. But hopefully for us here in Texas, it's going to drop the temperature inside the truck whenever we park it outside, which is all the time. So like I said, these are only $60. I had a similar pair, or actually I have a similar pair on my Forerunner. They work great. I use them all the time. And the end channel is so much better to me than the ones that are out here taped, that they get destroyed. They fall off, they screw up the paint. Worst thing that's going to happen with these is if they start to move at all, you can just put 3M tape back in there, the real thin stuff, put them back in place, and it doesn't mess with any of your paint. So thanks for watching the video. If you could like it, that'd be great. If you could subscribe, that would be amazing. We're getting really close to 2,000 subscribers. So we've got quite a few more videos that we're going to do on the F-250, and I think we've got a few left for the Forerunner. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.